So to get this back case off, one of these shitty pieces of shit. Fuck Apple. Anyway, there are two little holes here and here. This case then slides forward, up, and then out. When you're doing this, I would suggest you disconnect the battery, which is this here. This will push down. Now, if you're having the problem that was described, you're going to need to get into here. You'll have a screw hole here, 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 and somewhere over here. Anyway, once you get this little cover off, your problem is most likely right here. These are two plugs, both of these, that plug into the board right underneath here. Okay? All you really have to do is push them down in and snug them down, and that's it. And then you should be back up and running. And then maybe save up and buy a different phone, because iPhone sucks.